Most people think they know Google. Just a search engine, right? A place to look up recipes, settle debates with friends, or find directions. But that was the Google of yesterday. Today, Google is quietly building something much, much bigger. We're not just talking about search anymore. We're talking about intelligences. Intelligences that learn, that understand, and soon, that will create alongside us in ways we're only just beginning to imagine. What if I told you that Google is shifting its focus from just finding information to actually producing it? Artificial intelligence is advancing at a breathtaking pace. And let's be honest, those who don't take a moment to understand what's happening risk being left behind, watching as others seize the opportunities of this new era. From its very beginning, Google had one core mission: to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. It was an audacious goal. But as they pursued it, they realized something fundamental. Simply organizing information wasn't enough. To truly organize it effectively, you must first understand it. And to understand, you must learn. This realization was the seed that grew into one of the most ambitious projects in modern technology, Google's acquisition and development of DeepMind. DeepMind wasn't just another research lab. It was a statement of pure ambition. It was a bet on the future of intelligence itself. And soon, the world would see the fruits of that bet. Remember AlphaGo? It was the AI that challenged Lee Sedol, the world champion of Go. For millennia, Go was considered a game of intuition, too complex and profound for any machine to master. It was seen as the pinnacle of human strategic thought. And then, the machine won. In that moment, the world collectively understood something profound: some of the limits we believed were unbreakable were never really limits at all. But DeepMind didn't stop there. Then came AlphaFold. This was an AI designed to solve one of the grand challenges of biology, predicting the 3D structure of proteins from their amino acid sequence. Scientists had wrestled with this problem for over 50 years. AlphaFold solved it. This wasn't just a technological breakthrough, it was a quantum leap for humanity. It accelerated drug discovery, disease research, and our fundamental understanding of life itself. We weren't just building better tools, we were accelerating our own progress as a species. And just as the world was starting to process the implications of AlphaFold, a new wave broke. ChatGPT arrived on the scene, sending an instant shockwave across the globe. Suddenly, generative AI was no longer a niche concept for researchers, it was in everyone's hands, demonstrating a remarkable ability to communicate and create. The game had changed, and the public was finally paying attention. Google, of course, had to respond. First with Bard, and now with its more powerful successor, Gemini. These aren't just search assistants that fetch answers for you. They are something new. They are AIs that can write, create, analyze, propose strategies, and collaborate with you on complex tasks. They're not just assistants, they are becoming partners. They are tools that amplify our own abilities, helping us to think bigger and work smarter. But here's the thing that isn't being said clearly enough amidst all the hype and fear: AI won't replace humans. That's a fundamental misunderstanding of what's happening. No, AI will replace the humans who refuse to learn how to use it. Think of it like the invention of the computer or the internet. The individuals and businesses who learned to collaborate with this new technology didn't just survive, they thrived. They moved faster, innovated further, and achieved more. Those who choose to collaborate with AI will have a distinct advantage. Not because they are inherently more talented, but because they have made a conscious choice to learn differently, to augment their skills with powerful new tools. The future isn't some distant, far-off concept we need to prepare for. It's not waiting for us. It's already here, unfolding right now, every single day. So, this brings us to a simple but profound question. Do you want to be a spectator, watching history happen from the sidelines? Or do you want to be a part of building it? Do you want to be the one who understands these tools and uses them to create, to innovate, and to lead? The choice isn't tomorrow's. The choice starts now. Thanks for watching. If this sparked something in you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. We're just getting started.